How to set up Slack for Teams step by step. To set up Slack for your team, you simply have to go to the official site using any web browser of your choice on your desktop. From there, you simply have to enter your email or business email address and then follow the on-screen prompts to name your workspace and launch your digital headquarters. Once you do this, you simply have to now tap on the Create a Workspace option, then enter your company or team name. Then establish your initial core channels. Type a name for your first active project or department. Then click Next. Slack will automatically generate your workspace along with the 3 default channels: general, random, and more. Now you simply have to invite your teammates by adding the emails and using a shareable link, or by simply typing in their username. Once you do this, you simply have to now configure the crucial admin and security settings and then proceed to complete your profile and install the applications on your desktop or mobile. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.